Hi, it's Claire here, and I am sharing this video with you because on Saturday I got to see somebody who had a huge influence in my life. I saw Bruce Lipton doing a full-day workshop. He is such an incredible speaker. The way that he uses sort of real-world analogies to help us to really understand quite complex science and biology. And more importantly, always lets us know, why is this relevant? So it kept the entire audience of about 1,000 people engaged for 6 hours with with the way that he explained the science, and how, contrary to what many of us, were taught at school, genes don't control our biology. And actually it's our beliefs and our perceptions of the world. Is it this big, scary, frightening place? Or, is it friendly? Is it full of love? And this affects the chemicals in our body, and it can ultimately affect our health. And it was when I heard him, I think it was 6 or 7 years ago now, that he mentioned PSYCH-K. In fact, I think he was doing a teleseminar with Rob Williams, who was the originator of PSYCH-K. So we've got the sort of science of why belief was important, and then Rob sort of talked about PSYCH-K and how you can actually change your beliefs. And it was really great that Bruce Lipton mentioned it in his talk, because there were a lot of PSYCH-K people there, but it actually gave the two instructors in the UK an opportunity to demonstrate it to people who hadn't heard about it. And it was such a good demonstration. You saw that the lady came up and she was a little nervous, and she wanted to believe, I am good enough to do whatever I want so that I can be happy. And they took her through the process, and you could see there was some emotion as she processed it. But at the end, she was just bouncing off the ceiling. She was so happy. And that is how PSYCH-K works. You might go inside, it might be feelings in your body. I think in her case, she saw some images from childhood that obviously affected her self-esteem, her belief that she, contributed to a belief that she wasn't good enough. But once that had cleared, wow, she's now felt unstoppable and is ready to go out there and take action. The PSYCH-K has had a big effect in my life, and if you're interested in finding out more, I've actually done another video about how PSYCH-K has helped me personally. So if you're interested in watching that, there'll be a link in the description box below or above this. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video.